All right, so once you have the film set on the machine with the collars locked in place, there's a brake that's right here. This strap gets pulled over the top and tightened down. This puts tension on this roll so it doesn't free roll on you. The brake is adjustable in tension. Right now we have it on the strongest tension, which is all the way down the bottom. This is your pin perf. This pulls the pin perf out of the way when you're threading. This is your pinch roller. Once the pinch roller is up, it'll hit the limit switch here, which cuts the voltage to the motor. So you want the opening of the film to be towards the outfeed. You have your pin perf and your pinch roller will be in the up position. The film goes over the rubber drive roller and under the dancer bar. And then back over the top roller. Once you have it to this point, you can set the pinch roller and the pin perf back down. What this will do is free roll the film for you. Here's your separator rod. Once you get to the separator rod, one layer of film will go underneath. The other layer of film will go over the top. And then again, make sure that the edge of your center fold is pretty close to the edge of the triangles. The height of this roller is adjustable, and the correct height of the roller will be halfway between the two inverting triangles. So once the film comes off halfway between the inverting triangles, it puts an even amount of film on the top and the bottom. Inverting the film, you'll take the bottom layer of film and put it between, and the top layer of the film will still stay on top. You'll grab the bottom layer of film corner and you'll wrap it around the edge of the conveyor. Then you'll grab the bottom layer of film edge and bring it around the inverting triangle. You'll install both the bottom and top film through the pinch rollers and into right where the chains meet together. Once you have them started, you can hit the jog button and it'll pull the film automatically. When the machine is threaded properly, you'll notice that there's a nice triangle that gets created from the last roller of the power film unwind to the upper and lower inverting triangles, and the center line should be directly between the two. After you're done film threading, you can replace the guard.